Hi, my name's Justin. I'm the franchisee of Plus Fitness 24/7 in Darlinghurst. What I love about Darlinghurst is there's a great sense of community here. There's lots of bars you can go to, there's great food, great coffee houses, plenty of things to do at night and plenty of things to do during the day. It's always kept really clean and tidy. It's a great neighborhood to be in and everyone's really friendly. So about the business, we are a 24-hour gym. We recently were renovated, so we have state-of-the-art equipment, both cardio and weights. We have free weights and pin-loaded equipment, and we also have around about 1,000 members. Here at Plus Fitness Darlinghurst, our cleaning needs aren't just a simple hoovering. It's more about keeping the machines and equipment hygienically clean, wiped down regularly. The showers and the bathrooms have to be cleaned every day and also scrubbed very well, because people come here, they have a shower before or after work. So it's really important that everything is hygienic and looks clean. Especially since COVID, the need to sanitize all the equipment has become paramount. What I like about working with Clean Focus is their flexibility, number one. I really need cleaners to come overnight when the gym is quiet and empty, also so that when people come here first in the morning, they see a nice clean gym. They're definitely at an affordable price point, and they also take all the hassle away of having to find cleaners. They are always reliable. I haven't had one time when they haven't turned up. And if I ask them to do a little bit of extra work here or there, or if I feel like something may have been missed by mistake, then they are very quick to rectify it. I have gone through a lot of cleaning companies in my time, and I have found them to be very big on their promises and small on their delivery. What I like about Clean Focus is they've been consistent, and convenience, of course. They replace the need and the hassle for me to have to find my own cleaners.